Step inside the heart of an open-pit coal mining operation, where raw energy meets precision. Here, powerful excavators are at work, digging through overburden to reach valuable coal seams. With every bucket load, massive dump trucks are filled and sent across the site, part of a seamless operation that fuels industries around the globe. This is how modern coal extraction works: synchronized, efficient, and demanding expert coordination between heavy equipment operators and ground teams. If you're passionate about mining technology, heavy machinery, or large-scale industrial work, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow us for more in-depth mining footage.